I'm going to town, guys. Init kayo ay very hot. So kung magmask. So hot. I'm waiting to Jeffrey. I will go to town because last day that I went, I forgot to counter the potato and carrots. We don't have carrots and potato. That's Philip a basic food. But we have bread. Now Jeffrey's coming. Potato, carrots. I pick up cream, whole cream for my cooking again. But when I check the rest, there is no butter, a thick butter and we only have there the liquid milk. That's it. I think I am lacking the steak butter. Still hot here, guys. I don't have lunch. But I pick up coffee. Potato chips, sweet cheese, yeah. My lunch. So, hi guys, nandito na po ako sa kitchen. Kararating ko lang po sa galing ng taon. At ito po yung nabili ko, guys. Tingnan niyo po. Ayan po. Ito po yung nabili ko ngayon. Ano to, guys? Ano to? Sweet potato. Kasi maggagawa po ako ng binignit, guys. Ito po ay gabi. Yan, gabi po. Saka, sa wakas, nakabili na rin ako ng potato. At saka carrots. Because when I was there last few days, I forgot to put in the counter the carrots and the potato. Then I pick up white onion because every time I cook there should be a white onion or the red onion or that's it. What do you call this one? I don't know. At saka po ito na po yung full cream milk. Forget. Because I'm going to make. I'm going to bake. So, yan lang po ang kita ko doon. Wala po stick butter. Saka, yan, hindi ko po nakikita yung stick butter doon sa counter. Tapos, pick up po ako ng cat food. This is their food, guys. The cat. That's it. Ito lang po yung nabili ko. Tapos yung potato with cheese, yung snack ko. Ayan. So, mayroon po akong full cream milk. I can bake, what do you call this one? Hintayin nyo lang po. Kalimutan ko po. So, now, I'm going to feed the pig. So, bye guys. That's my job this afternoon. After I clean the pig ground, in the pig house. So, and I went to the town. It takes forever to go there, guys. Especially in the mall. Only few counter, then lots of fall in line. There. Then I send my so they can buy food, rice. That's it. Bye. Thanks for watching.